Playtime! Playtime!
Hi, welcome to our Playtime videos. Today we're going to do an unboxing and review of Peppa's Pig Fair. So without further ado, let's get started. It comes with Peppa the Pig and George as the characters, a big Ferris wheel with 4 rides, a game booth, a fun mirror, a merry-go-round, bridge, panda prize. Ooh, and he has a lollipop.
Wow, what did all the do? It's so bright.
Are we ready to open it and play with it?
Yeah!
Yeah, we're so excited.
It was getting too wow. It was big one too. Big one. We play.
Okay, where's the bridge? Here's the bridge. It goes on this side, and this part of the bridge goes on that side. And then here you can have a game booth.
What? Bear wheel.
Yeah.
Bee wheel. Wheel. What did you do? Bee wheel. What? Bee wheel. I want bee wheel. Oh, it was that toy.
Merry-go-round?
Yeah, I can be my not cat. My not pop.
You got a lollipop?
It is my lollipop. I can be that door. And play with it. I play taking my lollipop. That toy. One lollipop. Peppa. With my number game. I am Peppa. One thing.
Go round and up and down on the Ferris wheel. A fun game booth. Spin on the merry-go-round. Get wavy in the fun house mirror. Includes Peppa Pig and George.
What?
Includes 8 pieces.
What is wow? Oh, I picked it up. My vehicle. It's so wow. I can be George. I can be. I can be.
Yeah.
Go. Oh. Down.
And it says the ages is 2 and up.
What's that?
That's the camper. That's the other stuff. You want to... Here, let's show. And you can collect the World of Peppa. And you can get the camper and the Peppa Family Fair and the George Dinosaur and the Strongman Danny Dog with the drums and the Magician
What that?
Pedro Pony.
What that walk? Make it way.
So we have to buy that stuff. It didn't come with the Ferris.
What?
With the Peppa Fair.
That toy. That toy. That toy. We see toy. You want to get toy. Get toy. They get go away again. Away, get boo. On the quality. Game. I play game. I play game. Oh,
Yay, you won!
I want to game. I want to mine.
Oh, that's the fun mirror.
Play again. I got two of mine. I'm playing games. Mine, Papa playing. We got a toy.
Yay, you won! You got a toy. You got the big stuffed panda right there.
Big one. Right, baby.